Hey Michael, this is Bernie Wright from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time the other day to speak with me. In this quick video, we're going to go over 3 things on how you can beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, Michael, you may be saying, why am I making this video? Well, in our research, we found a lot of small business owners like yourself are too busy taking care of your customers and employees, and you just don't have time to learn how the internet works to bring in more customers. We feel that this is the only thing that's stopping people from hiring someone to help. They just don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we like to put together these attack plans and give them away for free. Some people take these plans, implement them themselves. Some call us back. Michael, whatever you decide to do is totally fine with me. So we're going to talk about 3 things today, Michael. We're going to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything that's on your website, all the words on your website. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on the number of keywords needed. A keyword is anything that someone may type into Google looking for a particular business or service. So in your example, we're looking for roofing. So keywords for roofing would be roof repair, roof replacement, roof inspection, roof services, roof installation. Okay, you want to have these keywords throughout your website telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for. So if you want to be found for roof replacement in northeastern Pennsylvania, you need to have a keyword such as roof replacement in northeastern Pennsylvania on your website. So example of that is if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have words that say Oceanside. You want to have keywords that say plumber, Oceanside, leaks, flooding. This tells Google, who then tells the user that you exist, your business exists. Okay, so if I take a look at your website, I like the layout. I like your logo is great. You have some from a client, overview from a client, which is good. Okay, so looking at your content, I put your website, all your words into a word counter. And right now you have about 694 words on your website. We take a look at your next competitor, Northeastern Roofing Supplies, a specialist. They have some pictures. Right now they have about 488 words on their website. And if we take a look at your third competitor, Roof Repair, the Roof Repair Guys. These guys have a fair amount of content on their website. As we scroll through it, take a look at this, diagnose. Okay, there's some more pictures, siding replacement. So these guys have a fair amount of content on their website. So right now, if I fill up their word counter, they have about 1,644 words on their website, which is why when we do a search for roofing repair, northeastern PA, Pennsylvania, the roofing repair guys come up number 1 for that organic search. This is a huge position and a huge revenue generator in terms of your business. So you definitely want to be in that section. So the next thing we're going to talk about backlinks. Okay, a backlink is anywhere where you find a website linking back from their website to your website, be able clickable hyperlink. These links act as an endorsement to your website, which tells Google, Google uses as a trust factor, as an endorsement, and other businesses basically vouching for your businesses. It's literally, the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks wins. But just keep in mind, not every backlink is created equal. So you want to have relevant backlinks on your website. So for example, if you get a backlink from Pizza Hut or Domino's, that's just not relevant to what you do as a roofer. You want to go out and get backlinks from plumbers, electricians, AC vac people. So I use a tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks, and I pulled up your site. This is your site here. Right now, you only have 2 backlinks and 1 referring domain, and you're organically not ranking for any keywords on your website, which is not drawing any traffic to your website. And if I take a look at your next competitor, they're ranking for 26 backlinks, 9 referring domains. They're also organically ranking for 25 keywords, and they're getting 324 clicks on their website every single month. And now we go to the third competitor. We can see here that they have 94 referring domains, which means they have 94 other companies, or backlinks I should say, 48 other companies linking back to them 94 times, which is great. And then they have 253 organic keywords, and they're getting about 1,032 searches on their website every single month. Okay, and now the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is about citations. And citation is basically anywhere your name, address, and phone number appears exactly as it does appear in the Google Map Pack or Google My Business directory. Now, citations help you rank in the Google Map Pack. It's extremely important for small businesses like yourself and local businesses because it's a huge revenue generator. So if you're ranked number 1 here, like North and East Roofing Specialist is, they're going to get 30 to 40% of the clicks that come through, as well as being ranked organically here. The way to get into this map pack is to basically outrank your competitors. So if your competitor has 20 citations, their name, phone number, and address in 20 directories, we need to go out there and get 40 directories that are going to list our name, address, and phone numbers. If this company has 60, we want to go out there and get 70 to 80 directories to list our name, address, and phone number. So this section doesn't have anything to do with the reviews per se. It does have to do with citations and how many directories your business is currently in. Now the idea is to be pretty much brand yourself, to be found all over the internet. The larger your online presence, the more Google will trust you and they'll put you into this map pack. Okay, so in concluding, we went over content. So we want to have more content on our website than any other website out there, ranking for the keywords that we want to rank for. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. We also want to get backlinks. We want to have other companies, other businesses linking their website back to our website, giving us credibility. And then we want to go out and get more citations than our competitors. If we can implement those 3 things, we can definitely generate more online traffic and beat out our competition. Now I want to thank you for watching this video. Now you can do one of 2 things with this information. You can, 1, go out there and implement this yourself, but keep in mind it does take time to get started, so you want to start as soon as possible. The other thing, that if you need help, I'm always here to call. My number is at the bottom of the screen. Feel free to reach out to me. And again, thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.